Hi, I am Varun Sharma, Head of Bars at EHV International. So this is our Pickled Pomegranate Whiskey cocktail. So in this cocktail, it's a bourbon whiskey which is infused with pickling spices while adding some pomegranate molasses, fresh orange juice, orange liqueur, shaken all together and serve it in this stem glass. So here we start with pouring double shot of pickling spice infused bourbon. So this is our house-made pomegranate molasses. This is our orange liqueur, fresh orange juice, and half an ounce of lemon juice, while adding some mola bitters, lots of ice, and shake. And garnish it with whole star anise. And here you are. Cheers.